I'm Jessica Esposito, 12th grade.
Nicholas Chaparini, 12th grade.
Mihir Patel, 12th grade.
And this is our last safety video.
Anytime a student is heating glassware or using chemicals, they must put on eye protection, such as these goggles. This is the improper way of putting on goggles. For students that have glasses, eye goggles are not required.
If a student is not wearing eye protection and happens to get chemicals of any sort into his eyes, he must go to the eye wash station, as seen here.
Ah!
How are you feeling, Mihir?
Bad.
Okay, good. Anytime a student is required to handle glassware, they must firmly grasp it and walk carefully with both hands holding the glass. Make sure that the hands are not wet as to decrease slippage, like so.
The improper way to handle glassware is portrayed by Nick and Mihir.
Mihir, you idiot. I told you 50 milliliters, not 100.
Well, you don't just pour it out, man.
No, you don't do that. We have to do... What are you doing? What you get?
In case of any broken glass on your lab station, the proper way to clean it up is to clean it up with your broom and your dustpan.
However, don't touch the glass with your hands. As you probably know, glass is sharp and will cut you. However, this glass has been containing chemicals. If you get cut with this stuff, chemicals get in your bloodstream and you're screwed.
Blood! Cause, I'm bleeding! I don't care.
During your lab, you're not supposed to push or shove each other.
Oh my god! During the lab, in order to properly light a Bunsen burner, make sure all knobs are turned to the right, then turn them 2 times to the left. Next, ignite the match. Hold it over the Bunsen burner, slowly turn on the gas, and there you go. Then properly adjust to the appropriate height. Make sure that when you're working with fire, you properly tie your hair back to avoid any burning hair. During a lab experiment, this is the proper dress code. No loose clothing, shoes or sneakers. If he had long enough hair, he'd have it tied back, but he doesn't since he's a guy. Devin, you are truly a model student. This is the improper way to dress during a lab experiment. Flip-flops, hair not tied back, loosely hanging. I mean, this is just very poor.
How's it going, man?
Good.
You smell something burning?
Yeah, is that you? Oh, crap. Oh.
You're right here? No, I'm out of here. I can't do this.
Fire! Fire! Devin, help! Fire! Devin! Devin! Fire! Okay.
After witnessing the proper way to use the fire blanket, we're going to show you the improper way.
How's it going, man? You smell something burning?
Yeah, is that you?
Ooh, fire! Fire!
I'm here to save you, Mihir. I'm here to save you.
Devin, you got to roll on
I'm
him.
on fire.
You got to roll on
I'm
him.
fire.
Now Devin's on fire. Be sure to use great caution when handling deadly substances such as hydrochloric acid.
May I use the bathroom? Yes. Thank you.
You guys got to clean that up now before it eats through the floor. Be sure not to ingest harmful chemicals, such as this HCl.
Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah, sure, but I'm really hungry. I think I should drink this.
No, Devin, don't. It's
I'm
ACL.
very
It'll mutate you.
I'm very
An alien will pop out of your stomach. You can drink.
Oh, God, why did I drink that?
She's just another lost soul, I'm not to be mine again. Leave her, meet the receiver, and it's beyond your control. You ever meet again? Heaven, from heaven, who heaven ended on home. As a little child, she was taken.
Well, in any case, don't eat anything in the lab room. You don't know what chemicals could have gotten on your food.
Anytime a student is required to handle glassware, they must firm it, grip. Anytime a student is handling glassware, a firm grip and careful.
The improper way to handle glassware is portrayed by Nick and Mihir.
I want it.
I said 50 milliliters.
What?
Why?
The improper way.
You're not supposed.
This is how to properly work a Bunsen burner during your lab. Light the fire, then turn on the gas.
Doesn't go turn on.
To properly work a Bunsen burner, make sure that all of the components are spun to the right, and then spin 2 times to the left. Then light the match, and then turn on the gas.
Here, you know, someone else do it. How's it going? Okay. Oh, fire.
Dude, no, come on.
How's it going, man? Good. Smells like it's burning. Ooh, no!
Nick, help, he's on fire.
No, dude, I'm out. Devin, you got this. Bro.
Here, don't worry, I'll put
You
you
do
out.
that. If you're on fire, you're obviously gonna move around.